I see that picture, I see name Munchie. Unstoppable Marie. Hello. I see name Munchie, okay. See, funny girl say bag heavy. That means say that were in the heavy down the bag. That means say that's why immigration gonna find it so quick then. That's why the people them are immigration find it so quick. If it's weird, I'm more wait for weird. And for it go through the machine. For it go through them sitting there. There we know. Jesus Christ, poor woman. You know what? Jamaica them all are. You know what? Say for Jamaica them all are. She start a GoFundMe page. And do her thing and get her solicitor Jamaica. She get to and come back up, you know. Say good Nikki, me no know nothing about it. Me answer you already, baby. Me no know how old is the daughter. Yeah, man, you will get a little chance like a Jamaica more than fee. More than when you come like when they catch you up here. No, she not gonna be the same for true DD, Michelle. If a girl like that, plus she diabetic, you know when you're diabetic and they're Jamaica. And I like say, you know, say you have to get your medication and your things them. Yeah. But once she get off, and when she get off and come back up, you see when she get off, me not gonna say if, because you know when you want something in existence, you speak it in existence. When she get off and come up, when she don't care and come back up, her sister fi start to go for me for you. When you start to go for me, then yeah. Pay a good solicitor down a yard and then that's it. They deal with her. Them know say she, you know. When them down a yard, you know, some people can't judge them we know down a yard. And then them just deal with her, make she get to come up. Then she come back up. I don't know only Munchie, but Munchie, me I tell you the truth. Me glad you don't know none of my family, you know, because me not really, me not thinking I go so. Every minute me fight for my family them. Me don't know why. I always tell my family them say I got prison for them. Yeah. Yeah, me do time for my family them. I don't know why. That's not me. Well, then we know, then we know, man. For them see her and see her, she. Then sometimes you see person character, you get me? Then we know so she not in them things there. Cause you can't know people them where just and them say she not really that 100. Yeah, our phone. You see our phone call when she get when the girl say, okay, may I come now? All them number, every person ever call unknown number. Yeah, she bring it. And even if they call unknown number, I don't know if Jamaica know to find out that they're supposed to know to find out the number we call on the unknown. Cause up here they know when unknown number bother you, then can find out how bother you. You understand me? No, if she do her time here, they do her time here, it might affect her status. But you see, like say Jamaica, then it not gonna really affect her immigration status. You get me? Because if them find her not guilty in Jamaica, that means she's okay to come back. I tell me. Yeah, I press okay, I'm not seeing come up yet.
Hello.
Hello?
Jojo Wagwan. I
Wagwan,
met your son, man.
Wagwan,
I'm there
baby.
the line. Just see if you took the line number. Boy, it's rough, Jojo. Rough.
Right now,
Me tell you,
my body has shape. Me feel it for no, God no.
me say, me go pick up my mother yesterday. And when me pick her up, tell her man I don't see me a reverse when I come back. Me go pick her up. When me pick her up, me and she say, yo, she for left that bag again, because it's too heavy. Which one me go for, bro?
Make sure you get him number.
No.
It's it.
I don't mix it. So when we go so boom now, I'm gonna go pick her up. She say, the woman give her something. Come here, say, why you have so much thing in them suitcase? Why your suitcase are so heavy? She said to me, say, some people bring up some things here. And some people get a Lasco and people get a Lasco and 5 bun and some other thing. But she said, she turned to him and said, yo, this too heavy, man. And the person said, the person said to them, say, it's a $5,000 yeah, in case you're overweight, pay it. And she said, all right, no problem. So she left the bun, she left the bread because she video call Munchie. She video call Munchie and said to Munchie, say, Munchie, see where the girl left here. 5 bun, 1 bread, and 11 big Lasco. See?
Bomba God.
Yeah. So when me go so boom now and bring her, put the thing them in the car, bring her now and reach her airport. She don't, we have to take all the thing them out of the car. When I take them out of the car now, she said to me, say, me know me go overweight. Don't go away. So you can get for put the thing them in the vehicle. I say, all right, no problem. Me go just go in the car park, go park then. So I go in the car park, go park. By the time I park in the car park and come across the road, me hear when I see 2 police talk to her. So I go to them and say, excuse me, what is the problem? And them say them have a thing named random pop up and search. It's a go on from what they are with most of the British flights. I get the liar. Maybe Google him number. Which way you go now? Right. We'll go over the car and say the alcohol and the insulin.
But you go for the yard.
You buy it at the pharmacy. Yeah, me buy it at the pharmacy. So when we go to boom now and then can't you want to tell me the phone? Come try. I'm no one in police.
Oh God.
You're gonna be alright.
It give me goosebumps. To I say give them goosebumps. It give me goosebumps. Truly.
At the pharmacy there.
I feel afraid. I feel sorry for them.
So when we come out, the people them say she need rubbing lotion now and she want the insulin. But me get the bag of that. When me go to boom, yeah, the joke herself 4 times per day.
You know
Oh,
You don't have to come there. You don't have to come here to make money. You just buy the something that I will come and find out. Because them say, no, whatever. Alright, no problem.
Yeah, on top.
Tell us something about Munchie. We can't get history about Munchie. Munchie knowing for drugs and setting up people. Yeah, Jojo. She usually deal with one man when named Bull. Yeah? When me usually talk to Munchie and wicked. Munchie knowing for this.
Oh God.
Munchie knowing
Yeah, that's
for
son
this.
attack.
And
Our
you
son
see her
attack.
cousin. Munchie say her cousin. Jojo. And she sent for her cousin. And her cousin come here and take her man when she did there with Bull. And bring him 2 times. Me know Munchie good. And Munchie think this by setting up people and with drugs and them something. From me know
Let me
Munchie know
hear what our son said. Anto, let me hear what our son said.
When me come in and go back to the airport, I'm not even 5 minutes. I'm going back. I'm just circle the airport. You know, now man the airport. So you go in and come. So when I see the police, them talk to her now. I say, you want to know me? See? Good. When me hear the police, them talk to her, so I say, what go on? Them say, them have a thing, random pop up and search and just call anybody in the line. See, Boopy there. Come out of the road. So them say them have a thing, random pop up and search. See? So when them, so me I say, yeah, and him say, yeah, him say, so him go to the woman and ask her, what you have in the bag? So she said, me have season, me have patty, Me have some little thing, me have a Lasco. The man say Lasco. The man say, who you get the Lasco? Yeah, man, lock by the door at it. Yeah. The man say, who get Lasco? You want to pack this? Who get Lasco? Him say, my woman give me for gay. Our friend tell us to collect it and whatever. So when them do that now, the man say, he must go over by the table, he must search. So when them bring her over the table now, they must search, so they must say, me turn to them and say, boss.
I want pin for now. On my
Yeah,
drive.
you hear me? Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah, man.
Hello.
Yeah, no, yeah. Yeah. Because you're driving, that's why.
Wicked man, Lord.
Yeah, man. So when we go some boom no man there, we say people there and we say to the police can be a police surround and whatever them say we are go down in one room. So when them say them are go down at the room now, for go search, we did it for like 2 hours, can't see them, 2.5 hours. We can't see them. You see me? I was just drive for them and I at the pharmacy. I will go over there because I know some of there's some of them in the back. Probably them not see them in the car. Last night when them give me the things them, whatever. So when we can't see them, I say a police come out. So I say, officer, what go on? You might say, no man, everything good man. She soon come out, them soon done with that. So I say, alright then. By the time I look, I see the inspector come out and I say, boy, son, problem. So I say, problem. I say, yeah. We find kilos of coke in the Lasco. So them put the coke in the bag, one little
Oh,
white bag,
God.
coke in the Lasco and drop it up in the Lasco. And seal it back with crazy glue.
Jesus.
So when them take it up, them could have hear it. You see me? So you must say, yo, them are going to detain her and then call me. So when them do call me now, them give me back my little sister and I say, like them call the British High Commission and them I say, boy, them ask her, say, oh, what you call it?
Oh,
What
God.
she do at Jamaica? So she say, yo, my father and my brother them live at Jamaica and my mother come at Jamaica, so we just come for the visit. Well, them come for the visit. You see me? So him I say, so she say, so oh, I'm gonna come back up. And them I say, boy, you have to go buy a ticket. You have to go buy a ticket or whatever. You know?
Only tag so
So
thing
last
Munchie over here, so she a wicked.
Mixup must drop drugs to her. No, what
Oh,
so
God. Sorry to hear that about your mom, darling.
yeah man, so oh them are the movie right now, I go over there.
I wish for your mom.
Them
Penny.
call and say she need some alcohol and some little thing, and some insulin and some little change of clothes. So, Jamaica still them kept return things. I say everything is brand new. So them
Oh,
over there with
man.
them
Everything up brand new.
So which part, which
Family
police
are
station your
suitcase
mother?
them there.
Bridgeport.
Bridgeport.
And she have to
Portmore that.
and her friend knows that she have to juke herself 4 times a day because she's
Yeah,
diabetic and she really make she do that at Jamaica.
you see me?
Oh my God.
Yeah, man.
Them to beat that them
Yeah,
and that but
so,
lot too.
so
Don't
them,
worry yourself. Gotta go deal with it. If you have your
yeah,
leave,
man.
you will get through. Don't worry yourself. I
Okay,
will
so I
talk to you after
can't wait.
here.
Thank God alone to deal with
No,
them things because if I'm
no,
my
me say
family
I
and me
will
and
talk to
Lucifer
you
going up.
after here. Yes, sir.
Sure do
When you
that.
end
Yeah,
up, me
man.
going to call you and talk to you. Yeah.
Alright, bless up yourself, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
me
man.
talk to you.
All right.
Something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, man. Alright.
Me I call you
Yeah,
after this.
yeah, man.
Alright.
Oh, Jesus. Eh? Mr. Colleen, some people are asking if you have a GoFundMe page. Colleen?
Just, you know, Jojo, me, me not know nothing about phone and them something there. Me is not even a phone person, That
But me don't know